One of the things early on that I learned being an installer, and as you may or may not know, I started off as a subcontractor, and that's one of the reasons that we started Brickworks and we built a company built on culture. Is we saw there was a big divide in how jobs got bid by a subcontractor, or by I should say a contractor, and then subbed out to the lowest bidder. There was a big gap between what was getting promised to the customer and what was actually getting done. And over 80% of projects that are bid in Southeast Michigan are subcontract out. One of those things that we can't do, because then they can't control quality. So I designed a trailer system, as you'll see back here, a way to keep our equipment, to keep our tools, and to keep our debris all maintained properly. One of the biggest complaints you're going to see in the home improvement industry is cleanup. Beyond quality and lack of communication and things like that is cleanup, leaving the job site behind a mess. So it's just like an operation room. When we come to work on your home or your property, you're going to see complete deconstruction depending on the quality or depending on the type of project that we're doing. And as you see behind me, we literally didn't even tell this crew that we were coming and showing up out here. We pull up and this is what we see. We see our tarps down, we see our mortar stacked, we see our screens in order. Our truck is not in disarray. You can see over my shoulder over here, everything has a place, everything has a home. And make sure that we put everything back so when we pull up to a job site, no corners have to be cut, no products, nothing has to be looked over, because at the end of the day, how we show up here is how we're going to show up on your project. So I just wanted to demonstrate and show you guys a little bit of what it looks like when we come out to serve you.